Hello guys, my name is Olga Ivanova and I want to tell you about my advertising space. This is an advertisement platform where you can earn sustainable income while you advertise your business. I started it really wonderful opportunity. I love it so much and I will just tell you why this is so, so great to do with my advertising space and why you should add if you have some online business. For example, I prepared this picture. You have some business online. You maybe have blog, do email marketing, social network like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, and etc. You may do PPC and paid per view advertisement campaign with Google, Facebook, Bingo, Yahoo, and any other publisher. And all you do for the sale and to have profit, okay? And you may add MAP platform as one of your PPC ads and place your advertisement in MAP. So I just added here. Or you may take part in revenue sharing and start your PPC advertisement campaign in MAP as a member. So here is MAP. So to start as a member, you need to buy credit package, 500 impressions to your adverts. 550 plus 550 per 10 seconds and 10 impressions per 30 seconds. So you buy credit packages and you assign it to your campaign. So you also do PPC ad in MAP platform with credit packages. And you assign your impressions, your advert, and you earn in profit revenue sharing with credit packages. One credit package is one share, one part. So you earn this. You earn this as a member of MAP. When you earn from your credit packages, money comes every day, every 20 minutes, and then you may do withdrawal and have from MAP your profit. Or you may do repurchase and add credit packages to buy next credit package and assign to your next impressions. So you do your next advertisement campaign, you increase number of your credit packages, you increase number of impressions to your advertisement, you increase number of the earning from the sale, because when you increase number of the packages, you increase your share. And you may increase the number of the packages till 1200. And each time you buy new credit package from what you earn, you increase your impressions to your ad, you do it more widely, you earn more, and each time you, you increase your part and profit revenue sharing. And when you do more impressions, sure, your advertisement campaign do more effectively, and you have more sale from you because you have more impressions. It's more widely broadcasted, and so you have profits, and thus you make your advertisement campaign, and you earn on it, and you have sale, you earn from your own sale profit. And when you achieve the limit of your, for example, 1200 credit packages, or up to your member level, you do withdrawal each day. After you have your widely promoting your advertisement campaign in MAP, because you have a big number of impressions and you have big amount of money for withdraw each day from your part. So MAP may be more profitable than your main business, and also this is you still do your PPC ad campaign, but this channel will bring your additional money to your business, to your income. Okay, next time I will tell you how to start with my advertising space. If you if you don't have any businesses, if you're new. Okay. See you soon. Olga.